Hi wig friends, are you a fan of long blonde beautiful human hair wigs? If you are, like me, then you are going to love the wig that I am going to show you today. It is the wig on my head, and this is Charlotte. It is from UniWigs. It is the most gorgeous blonde balayage remy human hair. I absolutely love it. It is 20 inches of just gorgeous blonde, beautifully blended with a sandy blonde and this bright white ice blonde. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the parting. Look, this is the part that is my favorite. It has this sandy color in it, but then look at these blonde pops go all the way up to the root for the most natural looking. It is, I've said it 5 times already. I'll stop. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Here it is from the front. I'll step back so you can see it all. Here it is from the left side. Here Charlotte is from the back. And here Charlotte is from the right side. I wanted to show you how easy it is to add a curl to Charlotte. I use a 1 1/4 barrel bioionic long barrel curling iron. I have it set at 310. I just put the hair on the curling wand until it's warm all the way through, and then release and let it completely cool before combing out. And Charlotte holds a curl really, really well, which is important when you have a human hair wig. You don't want to be styling them all the time, and with this one, you definitely don't need to. So just let those curls cool. And then I just finger comb them out, and it just adds that nice wave right back to the hair. One of the easiest ways to make your wig look even more natural than it already does, because you can't get much more natural than this. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, once again, here is that part line. I do have a little bit of powder on it. Here is that hairline. This is my widow's peak, but I can pull that forward. And then you can see how natural that hairline is on Charlotte. It is really, really stunning. So I love to add a little pop of color. So for this, I would add, since I'm wearing a hot pink sweater, just add a super cute headband, and you have a whole nother look for your wig. Another thing you can do to Charlotte is take a little piece of hair, do a little bit of a twist right back from the bangs, and then I add a decorative clip to that and just clip it right into the hair. And then you have just a little bit of a natural looking hair accessory for yet another look. Charlotte also looks adorable pulled back in a low pony. I just used a scrunchie for this, and I left some longer pieces hanging out the side so that it looks really casual, but you know, you could go anywhere with your hair like this, and it's just a scrunchie. I want to thank UniWigs for sending me Charlotte so that I could review her and show this beautiful blonde balayage 100% a remy human hair wig to you guys. Let's take one last look at this beautiful wig before we wrap this review up. This is Charlotte from the front. She has that absolutely gorgeous hairline and part line with that beautiful balayage on it. There she is from the front. There Charlotte is from the side, Charlotte from the back, and Charlotte from the other side. That wraps up my review of the beautiful UniWigs Charlotte wig. Thank you for being